millions of birds migrate across the Netherlands annually. Rising in that same sky are the turbines powering our sustainable future. Here, wings and blades share the air. The question is not whether we choose clean energy. The question is, can we use intelligent systems to ensure progress protects the nature it depends on?
Birds are impacted by wind turbines in multiple ways. First of all, there's the loss of habitat, and then there's the direct impact of wind turbines on birds. When birds are hit by the wind turbine blades, and this actually causes casualties. In this time of a biodiversity crisis, the energy transition is crucial. It's important that we don't impact wildlife while this energy transition is going on.
And that is exactly where a new generation steps in. This is the AI Cup 2026. 80 student teams, one national challenge.
For this year we are aiming to reconcile the conflict between birds and wind turbines. Our main goal is to actually improve the bird preservation from the ecological point of view, but also from the technological and energetical perspective.
With years of Team Epochs behind us, we were noticing a certain gap where we understand what's happening in terms of the theory that we learn at university, but the students don't exactly get a good grip on what is the impact you're going to make.
And for this reason, we are organizing the AI Cup in order to bridge this gap between the theory and performance in the real-world impact.
The students will be working on radar tracks we have gathered in the Eemshaven, so close to a wind farm. And the idea is that they will identify specific species within those radar tracks. Currently we're using AI, but in a limited fashion. So I really hope that the students can come up with new ideas and new approaches to improve the predictions and to use AI in a broader sense.
I was already thinking about which model I should use.
It's not just a random problem you're trying to solve.
It's pretty challenging, but we're pretty excited to tackle this problem.
There are 3 awards to be won. Performance for the most accurate and effective AI model. Implementation for the smartest and most responsible real-world application. And overall for the best combination of both.
For the current generation of students, the question is, what are we optimizing for?
Let the games begin. Weeks of modeling, testing, refining. 80 teams began, only 5 moved forward. AI Cup brought you here. Today, we take it further. Welcome to AI Futures Day.